Okay, question 6. We have to be careful here, okay? When you've got an integral, we've got to use integration by parts. Okay, so you've got a product here involving ln x. You need to ensure that ln x is the u term. Okay, so of course we used to calling the first term u and the second term dv dx. This time though, you've got to swap them round. Okay, so you've got to call this u and this dv dx. Okay, now there's no issue in doing that, okay, because these are functions which are times together, yeah, the product, and when you multiply, it doesn't matter what order. It doesn't matter what order you do them in. So I could, you know, if I was being really fussy, I could have written this as ln x times x squared to be clear on it, and then I've got my u there and my dv dx here. Okay, but that's important to remember. The ln x has to be the u term. Okay, so u will be ln x and my dv dx will equal to x squared. Okay, and the reason why it is because if I set u to be ln x, it's easy to differentiate it, because differentiate ln x, you get 1 over x. But had I put ln x over here with the dv dx, I'd have to integrate ln x, and that's sort of not so easy to do. Okay, you'd have to actually use parts to do that. Okay, so if you do it this way, you won't have any problems. You call u ln x and you just differentiate it. Here then, dv dx is x squared, so to get v, of course we need to integrate this, and that's easy. Integrate that, you get x cubed upon 3, because you increase the power by 1, don't you? And then divide by that new power. So using then the parts formula, so u dv dx with respect to x is equal to uv minus the integral of v du dx with respect to x. Okay, so we've got x squared ln x on the left hand side here, the integral of that, so uv, so u is ln x times v, which is x cubed upon 3. Take away the integral of v, which is x cubed upon 3, times du dx, which is 1 over x dx. Okay, what's nice here when you look at this integral then, that x will cancel with the power there to make it a squared. Okay, so you could rewrite this then as x cubed over 3 ln x. You could take that third there outside of the integral, and you're left with just x squared there to integrate. So it's really easy. So you get x cubed upon 3 ln x, take away then 1/3 times, well, when you integrate x squared, you get x cubed upon 3 plus c. So this becomes x cubed over 3 ln x minus 1/9 x cubed plus c.